Shivananda Sharma Memorial RV College Video Lectures and ISR Initiative. SSMRV College, one of the premier institutes run by the prestigious RV group of institutions, has come up with a unique initiative to engage students at the time of this unforeseen medical emergency caused by corona outbreak. As a socially responsible institution, we would like to connect academically with students to make good the losses caused. In this connection, I, Soujanya, Department of English, would like to post a video on the topic anagrams. Please watch the video till the end and like, share with your peer group and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Introduction to anagrams. An anagram is a word or a phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or a phrase, typically using all the original letters exactly once. Its origin. Anagrams can be traced back to the time of the ancient Greeks and were known as temuru. These anagrams became very popular in the early modern period, especially in Germany. Anagrams. Note: the original word is known as the subject of the anagram. Any word or a phrase that exactly reproduces the letters in another word is an anagram. Note: a person who creates anagrams is called as an anagrammatist. Some of the anagrams: race, care, part, trap, heart, earth, knee, keen, fried, fired, listen, silent, net, ten, add, dad. Application of anagrams in various fields. So anagram, being a grammar topic, apart from being a grammar topic, is also applied or used in different fields or ways, like pseudonyms. So pseudonyms adopted by authors are sometimes transposed forms of their names, like Jim Morrison becomes Mr. Mojo Risen, Dave Barry becomes Ray Dave Edwards, Elon Musk becomes Musk Melon. So psychologists also use anagrams for oriented tests, which is often called anagram solution test, a task given to assess the implicit memory of the young adult. Thank you for watching and listening.